Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome to the channel. We are mooning today. Bitcoin all-time highs, 120,362 for one Bitcoin. Let's see. Looks like peaked around 122,700 this morning. I think it hit 123,000. I just can't see it on this graph, but we're hitting all-time highs on Bitcoin. Man, just 3 to 4 months ago, this thing was around 75,000, dropped below 70. I remember that. Currently up 60%. This thing is about to melt faces. And what else is hitting all-time highs? We just broke 1,000 subscribers, everyone. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for spending the time watching some of these videos. But what's going on with the most recent news in the Bitcoin world? This is a list of the top companies holding Bitcoin as their treasury holdings. Of course, coming in number one is Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy with 601,550 Bitcoin. No one is catching up to Michael Saylor. Let's just take a look at the stock. $442 for MSTR. Michael Saylor, look at this chart. Boom. And who else is in the top 20? Of course, is our precious GameStop, number 14. Check this out, guys. Holding 4,710 Bitcoin. GameStop current balance is 565 million and the share price is stuck at $23. Let's just do some math real quick. So GameStop announced the purchase of Bitcoin back in May 28th. That's when they purchased 4,710 Bitcoin. So we go to May 28th. Bitcoin was around 108,877. Let's just round up. Let's say they bought it at 109,000 and they bought 4,710 Bitcoin. They spent over 500 million on 4,710 Bitcoin. It is worth 566 million now. GameStop currently is holding over 52 million in profits just from purchasing Bitcoin, while the stock has stayed flat. That is $52 million extra for GameStop. This is crazy. GameStop, number 14 on the top public Bitcoin treasury companies. They're currently under Block, Coinbase, right below Tesla. They're in the top 20. So with this 52 million in profits, unrealized capital gains for GameStop just sitting there. Remember, guys, they also have $6.3 billion in cash sitting there. So we'll label this BTC. We'll label this cash holdings. $6.3 billion in cash alone. And don't forget also, guys, this is the latest data from May 2025, 6.3 billion. Don't forget, they also have, which was announced in June, so a month after, they also announced another $2.25 billion in convertible senior notes, plus the 450 million they added on to this 2.25 billion. So that's going to give us $2.7 billion more from this June convertible senior notes offering. $2.7 billion more. Let's just put that in. 2.7 billion plus the 6.3 billion holding in cash plus the 52 million gain in capital in Bitcoin. Let's just see the total from cash alone plus the Bitcoin holdings. They have over $9 billion. 9 billion, everyone. $9 billion in cash plus total Bitcoin holdings that they have. They're just sitting on, while the company is selling for 10.5 billion. Company's market cap is pretty much selling for what their cash is worth alone. Don't forget, they also have receivables. They have inventory they could sell. They also have real estate, net property, plant and equipment, other long-term assets. You got to add all that up. Not financial advice, but I think it's just a matter of time before we start seeing some crazy stuff with GameStop. And by the way, did we all see Staplegate? Are we caught up with Staplegate? So the GameStop Staplegate charity auction, this is the stapler that one of the employees was using to staple the receipts on the boxes, and it kind of punctured the Nintendo Switch. But GameStop is currently selling it on eBay. They're putting it on auction. Currently selling for $249,000 for a stapler plus the Nintendo Switch 2. And of course, Ryan Cohen's signature. GameStop Staplegate, $249,000. There are 284 bids right now. Ends in 2 days. There's currently 36,959 people that have viewed this in the last 24 hours alone. Anyways, guys, just a quick update. GameStop, $23. Been flat, $10 billion valuation, while they hold over $9 billion in cash. 9 billion, baby. Bitcoin, all-time highs. This thing is about to rip faces, and GameStop owns 4,710. For all the people watching my videos, all the new followers, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to watch these videos. Everyone have a good Monday. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. All-time highs, baby. Peace.